Hi, I am Veena with 3DB Design Studio, and right now we are in front of Reni's house. This is the first project in our series, and this 3,400 square feet house is scheduled for housewarming in the next month. We have right now exactly 30 more days to finish the project, and let us go inside and see what is the stage right now. Come inside. See what is in store for us, starting with the front door. The front door is given a dark Wenge finish which matches with the other doors and windows. In addition to that, it is given steel stripes which breaks the monotony of the door. The door has something unusual. The height of the door is around 9 feet than the usual 8 feet. This is in accordance with the room height, which is around 11 feet. It's a kind of mess in here, but it's going to get better. We'll be having a beautiful piece of furniture coming over here. 2 wall lights will be highlighting this glossy finish unit. And moving to this side, we'll have a beautiful wall sticker which covers this wall. The crockery shelf divides the living room from the dining. It's a 2-sided crockery unit. You can place the things on both the sides. Moving on, the false ceiling is still not done much yet. The wall lights are still to be fixed, but it will be having a wooden finish lining, and also towards this side we have the wooden TV unit which is highlighted by a marble finish outline. It's a vertified tile with a marble finish. This is the living room of Reni's home, and towards this side we have the dining room. In spite of the fact that we are in an incomplete construction site, this room gives you an idea of where we are heading to. The crockery unit which divides the living room from the dining has some ample space for beautiful china, crystalware and artifacts. It also has enough space for some storage. Moving on to this side, we have this gym area which can hold at least 2 equipments. It's a very small gym area. And this is the place which has the skylight which lights up the whole room. The courtyard also brings in the elements of nature into the dining room. We have a very beautiful courtyard coming over here. And this is going to be the wash area of the dining space. This dining space has a seating capacity for 6 people, and while having your dinner you can enjoy this beautiful water feature. It has water cascading from this point to this water body, and this beautiful wall cladding highlights this wall. This is the first floor living room of the house, and we have planned for very vibrant color combination in this room. The painting work is still going on, but you can see some very vibrant green color, and to match with that we have a aquamarine blue in the ceiling. I love all the colors that we have planned for this room. The green that you see here is one of my favorite, and it combines with the aquamarine blue you see on the ceiling. And this project, particularly this room, is something I'm looking forward to get completed. I'm right now in the media room, and this is going to be the video wall. This is going to hold a beautiful piece of artifact, and moving on to this side we'll be having a very beautiful wall with fabric patterns.